So today we're doing maybe three different recipes of what you can do with a store-bought roasted chicken. First thing we're going to do is we're going to make a curried chicken salad wrap. That's with the breast meat. Then with the dark meat, we'll do a ramen bowl with some chicken kind of griddled up and soft-boiled egg. And then we'll do just a breakfast taco. Sometimes you can put egg in it, whatever. Like a taco for breakfast or lunch, along with the other mates. So we'll make three different dishes out of this one chicken. First thing you want to do is dice up our vegetables. So we got one scallion here. Take that little thing off. Chop this up. Tiny, tiny, tiny. Just to get a little onion bite in there. Okay, normally I make chicken stock with a whole chicken, and then the chicken that I use as stock for, I put a whole chicken in. I just shredded that and made this. So instead of using a whole chicken, I'm only using the 2 chicken breasts. So I got to kind of tweak my recipe here. Normally I'd use these 2 whole celery pieces, but I'm just going to use 1.5. So we'll just go with that. I don't like my celery too thick. So we'll go with that. Just add a little crunch to our salad. The onion was to add a little flavor. This really won't add much flavor at all, just a little crunch. A little texture. So 1.5 stalks of celery in. We'll do 3/4 cup of cashews. Normally I'd use a cup, but like I said, it's a smaller. Anyways, just use 3/4 cup. Okay. Whoa, lost a bunch. You know what I forgot? Forgot a garbage bowl. I need a garbage bowl. Forgot it. There's something new. Forgot something. All right. Jesus, I swear to God, there's this fly that will not go away. Oh, do I stink that bad? Is that it? Shoo fly, don't bother me. I'm just going to go with 2 tablespoons of curry powder for right now. And I may put another one. Oh, it doesn't fit. It kind of does. Let's go with 2. Watch. This is going to be painful to take out. That wasn't smart. Oh my God. Oh, there we go. All right, there's 1. There's 2. Kind of heaping, but that's good. That's fine. I like curry powder. 1/4 cup of raisins. I'm just going to use, I think maybe a box is a 1/4 cup, huh? These little boxes. Maybe 2. Oh, you know what? It's supposed to be a 1/4 cup. So yeah, just a box. Just put 1 box in. And then if you could spill half of it on the table right before you dump it, that's preferred. Not preferred. Preferred. Jesus. Can't talk. I'm all freaking out. All right, a box of raisins. There you go. All right, next we use the Major Grey's chutney. The best. I'm gonna go with 1/3 cup. Come on, chutney, get out. It won't get out. Oh, for the love of God, I don't have a small enough spoon. Oh, this is stupid. I'll use this. 1/3 cup of chutney. All right, what am I doing? Oh, a 1/4 cup of vino. Oh, it's over here. 1/4 cup of wine. White wine. I'm just using a Bogle Chardonnay. It's decent. It's like $7-8 bucks. A little salt, not too much. Let's put just a little bit. little pepper, 6 turns. All right, all we need now is the mayo and the chicken. Let's cut up this bird. First things first, we want to get the breast off, but to do that, we need to get these wings out. Just cut right down by the bone. Those will come off. We'll chow those in a second. Just cut right into it right there. There's a little, joint right there. Get that off. Eat a little bit while you're doing it. Okay. Now what we want to do, you go down the side of the, I don't know what this is called, breastplate. Okay. And then you cut over here where the wing was. Cut right there. And you just cut down that breastplate. You should be able to get a nice piece of breast right off of there. Yes, sir, Bob. There's the breast. Do the same thing on the other side. That's what we're going to use. You can just pull these out. And you just cut right straight down. Okay, there's a leg and thigh. This we're going to use for later. Again, these are usually so tender you can just pull that thigh out. The rest of this we'll use in this salad. All we're going to do is we're just going to shred up this chicken. Get this carcass get all the meat off the carcass. Take the skin off the breast. I'm going to save that for later because I like frying that up and eating it. And then you just shred this. All right, so I'm going to finish shredding this. I might have to do it inside because I'm going to effing kill this effing fly that just keeps bugging me. We just shred this up. All right, then just do the other breast. Super, super simple. Just shred it up, shred it apart. Okay, that's done. I'm gonna start with a cup of mayo. Use a good mayonnaise. I got a Hellmann's. Like I said, we're gonna start with a cup. I usually use a cup and a half, but once again, that was for a full bird. Use a cup. You know what I should have done? What I should have done was put the mayonnaise in and mixed it all together and then put the chicken in. So do that. Because look we got all this curry powder over here. I mean, I really got to mix this up now. And I could have just mixed up all the dressing before I put the chicken in. So, lesson learned, put your mayonnaise in first, then your chicken. All right, that looks about stirred enough. All right, so for dish number 2, let's say you wake up next day, you got the legs and thighs sitting in the fridge, and you're like, what can I have for lunch? Well, you get yourself the old ramen. I don't even know what kind this is. Just says regular Samyang cup of ramen noodle soup. Get yourself some of this. We'll cook up the chicken, and we'll make a little ramen. All right, so a lot has happened the last 30 minutes. Went in to clean up a little bit. Dog got a hold of the chicken. Ate a damn leg, a thigh, and 2 rings. Hopefully, the bones don't kill it. That's all I'm hoping. So now, let's say you wake up and you want a little something, a little breakfast, a little quick something, and you're thinking, oh, I got the rest of that chicken sitting in there, those thighs and legs. So what you do here, just chop yourself up some onion. All right, not too much. That's enough. Just gonna get these onions over to the griddle. Is this thing on? Okay. So that wasn't hot enough. Got a phone call, turned it down. All right, get this thing jacking. Okay, get that going. All right, these are going good. I went inside for a second. They started burning. They're all right though. All right, it's almost done. Once these are done, it's pretty much done. This is going. Take some of our chicken, put that in there with a little oil. So basically, you could add an egg to this. You could add chilies to this. You could add anything you want to this. The reason I'm doing it in a pan is because I'm going to add some barbecue sauce to it, and I don't want barbecue sauce to dirty up the griddle because that's a pain to clean. A little bit of barbecue sauce, just a little bit. Okay, and then a little bit of sriracha. All right, a little spice. Add our onions. Oh, that got to me. So all we gotta do is cook that through. Warm it up just a little bit. That's done. Turn this off. That is done. That's it. That's simple, right? Grab ourselves a little tortilla. This is for our ramen. And what we did too is I'll tell you about the egg in a second. All right, throw a tortilla down. Oh yeah. You can put some hot sauce in that if you want. You can put, like I said, you can throw an egg in it. Oh, it's ready. Oh, that wasn't smart, was it? Well, you could make it into a, what's that, a quesadilla? Or just have everything fall out of it. All right, this is done. Turn this off. Let me go get the ramen. Let's put down like a burrito-sized tortilla. Just heat it up real quick to get it pliable. We got our curried chicken salad. Yeah, it's been sitting in the fridge for at least 45 minutes. All those flavors melding together. Put a nice dollop in there. Fold it once. Okay. Fold it over. And just keep it tight. All right, there we go. There's that. So we cooked the ramen just as it says. We cooked the ramen just like it says to do in the directions. You know, I was debating about putting this part of it in, but we will. There's little bits of something in there. I don't even know what that is. With the egg, start it in cold water. Bring it up to a boil. Turn it off 5.5 minutes. Shock it in ice water. Shell didn't do well and it ripped it all apart, but then I put it in soy sauce and let it soak. And that's that there. Okay, let's get our chicken that we cooked. That chicken got a little dried out sitting on that griddle. But a little hoisin sauce I think will help. All right, there we go. So let's try, which one? We'll try the ramen first. I want to break this open. Oh, look at that. Perfect, exactly what I wanted. Exactly what I was looking for. I love that yolk in there. Mmm. Oh my goodness. That's pretty tasty. Let me get some of the chicken. Maybe not the hoisin. Don't do the hoisin. But this egg is nuts good. Like, it's exactly what I want in my ramen. That's super. Let's try this one. This is the dark meat with barbecue sauce, grilled onions, and sriracha. It's good. Like I said, I ate that for breakfast all day. Probably throw an egg in it. That'd make it really good. Let's try the, got the curry chicken salad wrap. That looks delicious. It smells great. That's super. You get the curry, almost too much mayonnaise. I'd probably cut back on the mayonnaise a little bit, just because I'd want it a little bit drier. A little crunch from the cashew, but a big crunch from the celery. Just a little hint of that onion. Super, super good. I think if you don't dry out the chicken on the ramen, that ramen's killer. Like I said, add some, this is just something to throw together in the morning. Add some egg to it, whip it up. Just some barbecue sauce, a little sriracha, just a little something, something to get you going in the morning. Okay, so I was cleaning up and my son said, that ramen is bomb, Dad. I don't know why you didn't like it. I'm like, it's okay, but I'm a stickler with ramen. For the box ramen, super, super, super good. Like, it elevates it like a notch. Like I said before, this thing, it's whatever. He agreed. It's like, you know, something that you can have in the morning, throw some egg on it. The curried chicken salad, oh, we both thought were out of this world, all right? So definitely, for sure, make the curried chicken salad. You can bump up your ramen with the egg, for sure. Marinate it in soy sauce, and then cook that chicken up, mix it in with it. But anyways, there's 3 ways to take a rotisserie chicken and just turn it into something else. Cook it, cook this, subscribe, click the ding-a-ling-ding, thumbs up, whatnot. We only have 52 subscribers, we need more. Subscribe.